Hi everyone, welcome to PM Coding. Today I will show you how to create this responsive navigation for your website. Right now we are on the mobile version, and as you can see there is a burger icon in the top left corner. If I click on it, the navigation appears from the left and the individual links transition in as well. Some links have further subcategories, which is indicated by this arrow. If I click on it, it expands, and you can see this arrow changes from pointing downwards to pointing upwards. If I click on it again, they disappear again. Same goes for this. And if I close this, so I can close it by clicking on the burger icon again. If I expand the window, the burger icon disappears and the navigation links move to the top right corner. You can see that the home has a blue underlining. Basically, whichever page you are on will get this underline. So for example, if I would go to FAQs, the underline would disappear from below home and would then appear here. I no longer have to click on About and Services for the categories to show below. Instead, I can just hover. And right now, the background of the navigation is transparent, but if I scroll down, it changes to orange. If I scroll back up, it changes back to its normal color. You can also use the tab key to navigate the navigation. So I just tapped over home, the background changed to white, and the text changed to a darker color. If I tab over About, the links appear and I can tab over them. Once I leave sustainability here, it closes that, and that's the same for services. So I'll show you how to do this all with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So stay tuned for the next videos. I also post tutorials every week, so feel free to subscribe. I'm also on social media, so feel free to follow me. I'll link everything below. See you in the next video.